welcome again. So in this video we're going to discuss about various non-Unicode data types that support localized data. Okay, so these are char, varchar2, varchar text data types. Okay, so although all these data types are used for only one purpose in order to store character type values, but how these type of data types are different from one another. So there are some characteristics that differentiate them from one another. So we will discuss these all characteristics in this video. Okay, so we will discuss every data type one by one. So firstly we will discuss char data type. Okay, so this is a char data type and this is the size of the value that we are going to enter using this char data type. Now see, char data type is basically used to store fixed length characters. Fixed length characters, what does it mean? If we are specifying a column in a table with the size, let's suppose 5. So every value that we're going to enter in that column will consist of 5 bytes in this memory space. Okay, so this is a fixed length character. Uh, to store fixed length characters. Now next is what the string length must be specified within 1 to 2000 bytes. That means uh, this is a size, right? So this size must be between 1 and 2000. It must not exceed 2000. Okay, so this is a storage space that is from 1 to 2000 bytes in this char data type. So if we are not going to specify any of the size, if we're not going to any of the size, so by default it can have 1 byte and 1 value as a 1 value. Okay, so it's by default 1 byte. Okay, now see, this is the syntax of our char using char. So this is a char and this is the maximum size of the value. What does it mean? If we're going to specify where 5. Okay, so maximum we cannot store some kind of value that consists of more bytes than 5. Okay, so it must be up to 5. We can store a value that can have less than 5 bytes, but we cannot store the value that have more than 5 bytes. Okay, so this is what the char. Okay, so let's suppose for example I have declared over a column whose name is name. Okay, that is a name column that will store the name of the people and it is of char type, and the maximum length of size of this char, every value that we're going to enter is 5. Okay, so we can store the values that have a length up to 5. Okay, for example where I have entered some kind of values. I have entered Ram, so it is also possible because it is having 3 bytes and 3 is less than 5, so it is also possible. Karan is also possible, Shiv is also possible, and if we're going to enter A, it is also possible. Okay, but if we are going to enter this Shalu, as we know, Shalu consists of 6 bytes. A Shalu consists of 6 bytes in the memory, so it will not be considered over here. Okay, it will not be considered over here, right? So this is what the case with this character data types. Now there is one disadvantage of using this character data type, and what is the disadvantage over here? See, I have entered over here 4 values: Ram, Karan, Shiv and A. See, as we know, we have declared the maximum size of this char data type as 5, and as I told you, it is used to store fixed length characters. So every value that we are going to enter in this char column, every value will take 5 bytes in the memory. As it is here, Ram, see, Ram actually it consists of only 3 bytes. Okay, it can store in 3 bytes, but oh, because it is a character data type, so it will take 5 bytes in the memory. Okay, so these two spaces are going to be wasted. Like in this, it's only stored in 1 byte, but as it is a char data type, so it will take 4 more. Okay, so 4 spaces are going to be wasted. So this is a disadvantage of using this character. So for that case, character data types are restricted only to those values where we are sure about the length of the values that we are going to enter in that column. For example, a column that is a gender column, we know in gender column we are going to enter either M or either F for female and M for male. So every value will consist of only 1 byte. So in that case, we will declare that column with char data type. Okay, so it is most preferable to use char data type at that places where we are sure about the length of the values of that column values. Okay, so this is what are char data type, and this is the disadvantage of using this char data type, as extra memory is going to be wasted. There is a memory wastage. Okay, so to overcome this problem, we have introduced varchar2 data type. Now let us discuss what is varchar2. So the second type is varchar2 data type. Okay, so it is a advantage and it is a variation over a char data type. Char data type used to store fixed length characters, but varchar is what it stores variable length character strings. Okay, and its storage space is from 1 byte to 4000 bytes. Its storage is also more than character. It's from 1 to 4000 bytes. Now this is the syntax for our varchar2 over here. Varchar2 and maximum size. For example, let's take the same example that we have taken in char data type. We have declared a column with a varchar2 data type and the maximum size is 5. Although in this also we cannot store that kind of values whose who will take space more than 5. Okay, like shalu, we cannot shalu is also not allowed in varchar 2 also. But how is it it has more advantage from char data type is this. Okay, if we although we have declared the size over here 5, but if we're going to store the value that takes less storage space than 5, it will consider only 3 bytes. Okay, the 2 bytes it will not take. Okay, so this is the advantage of using varchar2 over here, that if you're going to store ram, so it will take only 3 bytes in the memory, not 5 bytes. But in case of char, what was there, if you're going to store ram, so it will take 5 bytes as we have mentioned in here. Okay, but in this it's not so. So there is no memory wastage in case of varchar2. So this is the biggest advantage of using varchar2. So for this case we mostly use varchar2 whenever we are declaring the name, because we are not sure about a name of a people, because there may be a very small, there may be very long names. Okay, so for that cases varchar2 is most preferable data type for character values. Okay, so this is what a varchar2 data. Otherwise it is also same as character. It is different in these two ways, that it stores variable and characters, and its storage is from 1 byte to 4000 byte, and this is its syntax. Okay, so this is a varchar2. Now our third type is varchar. See, its name is as synonymous to varchar2 also. So most of the students get stuck over here. There were differences between these two. So basically, our varchar2 is developed by Oracle. Okay, it's an Oracle's version. It was developed by Oracle, but it is an ANSI standard. Okay, varchar is a ANSI standard and it is a reserved data type. That means the developers are working on this, and maybe in future versions, future Oracle versions, its usage may be different. Okay, so its usage is not clear as today, so it's very rarely used. Although it's also character data type, but it is very rarely used. Varchar2 and char data types are most commonly used today. So it is a reserved data type and its use may be changed in future versions of Oracle. Okay, so it's an ANSI standard. Okay, so this is what for varchar data type. Now our last character non-unicode character data type is text. So what is basically text? Here one more thing over here is that the text for declaring, there is no need to declare a text data type. If we're going to store a value, if we're going to store a value that consists of more than 255 characters, okay, so it will using this varchar or even varchar2, so it will automatically convert it into text. Okay, so if you're going to store a value that consists of 255 characters in varchar, so it will automatically convert it into text data. We need not to specially declare a column with text data type. No, we do not need. It will automatically convert to text whenever we used to enter a value that consists of more than 255 characters. Okay, so this is what are four data types that we have discussed today: char, varchar2, varchar, and this text data type. Thank you for watching the video.